Welcome to Hyperweb SDK Tutorials. This tutorial, you will learn how to use Mesh Simplifier to reduce triangle count of the models to render your models more smoother. After opening Mesh Simplifier window in Hyper section, you will see a panel that you can drag and drop a mesh object from the scene. After dragging the object, Mesh Simplifier will show you mesh of the object. You can use slider to reduce triangles of the mesh. There are also other options you can use in the window. Choose the options which fits for you and click to Export Mesh button. After exporting the mesh asset, simply drag and drop the exported mesh asset to mesh variable of the scene object. After you apply this method to all high poly objects, you will see the difference in the stats window. It's reduced from 2 million triangles to 400,000 triangles. Iterate this method more to optimize your render of the game.